Welcome to Mr. Beck Does Your Homework. This is AP Physics Homework 2.2, question number 10. It's part 2 of 2. It gives you a velocity time graph. It has some weird units as far as the velocity is times 3. So this isn't really 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be 3, 6, 9, 12 on my graph. This is time times 4. So instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is really 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So it gets a little confusing there, but let's go with it. What is the particle's acceleration? Well, the acceleration of a particle, the acceleration is the slope of a velocity time graph. The acceleration is the change in velocity in the change in time. So that's going to be my final velocity minus my initial velocity divided by my final time minus my initial time. So in this case, my acceleration is going to be my final velocity. Let's see, what's my final velocity? Oh, my final velocity is going to be 3 meters per second, because that's where this is on the graph. So I'm going to use this time and this time, these 2 points. My final velocity is 3 meters per second, minus my initial velocity was 12 meters per second. My final time is 16 seconds, and my initial time is 0 seconds. So what I get is 3 minus 12, which is negative 9, divided by 16 minus 0 is 16. So I'm going to get myself a negative answer, and you should too, of negative 9/16 and turn that into a decimal, and that is my acceleration. The slope of a velocity time graph gives me the acceleration of the particle in meters per second squared.